Congratulations for you to join Conquer the Mirror Demon by putting your information in. Congratulations. There is two different kind of people that is joining this summit. The person that is inspired by the summit, inspired by the speakers, and there is the person that is committed, really owning the person's voice, really taking the tips and strategize with actions forward. So what is the difference? The person that is inspired, going home, back after an interview, back after being connected, and really judging themselves, judging the society, judging the relationship for people's not doing good enough, they are not doing good enough, they are compare themselves. The person that is committed as AF is really taking the step forward, owning the voice, owning the past. The person knows there is something to work on. The person really committed to create an extraordinary life, to really create a life where the person is thriving forwards, really being together with others, asking for support, reaching out, really hungry after growth, hungry after to become who they're meant to be, hungry after vision, hungry after to live the life they really want to live. So what kind of person are you? Are you the person that is inspired? Are you the person that's committed as AF? They really take yourself hands-on in the next level to VIP upgrades, to really come on a one-to-one call with me, taking the masterclass, having the interview for lifetime, and really jumping on the VIP experience, and really can ask the speaker Q&A afterwards, ask for support, creating networks, creating partnerships, whatever that comes to you. That is your time to shine, where you have you and me and the speaker and other people that is here to support you to the next level. So who are you? I really hope you are the person to jump in the VIP experience. Down below you can read a bit more about the VIP experience, and if you have questions, please reach out. And the last thing, thank you so much for joining Conquer the Mirror Demon. I'm here to share my wisdom, share a piece of my life with you, to really unlock your brain so that you can break through with the tools, the steps you really learn in this summit, so that you can free yourself in creating a strong life and thrive every morning and ready to make the change as you see and want for yourself. See you in the summit. Bye guys.